Good evening, everyone. Our project is Education in 10 Years and What It Means for Marketers. As we know, the trends of personalization, flexibility, and experiential learning will drive data centric and edutainment marketing in the future. We start by looking at the major trends in customer behavior, then look at tech startups which have successfully pioneered business models in education, and finally, how marketers' priorities will change. We believe today's consumers increasingly demand personalized education. They demand personalized education both in classroom and at home learning rather than the rigid standardized education. Consumers today want education to be built around each individual's personal choices. Similarly, with globalization, consumers increasingly look for flexibility of time and place in learning. With technology such as virtual reality, hologram, and augmented reality, education will no longer be constrained by time and place. Similarly, innovations such as massive open online courses could revolutionize how higher education is delivered. Finally, consumers are looking for experiential learning through diverse learning methods. The consumer's preferences for education is shifting from lecture format to formats which are much more diverse and interactive. For example, games and simulation can help learners visualize complex systems, and students would be able to touch, feel, and experience the subjects that they are learning about through technologies such as AI, 3D.
Tech giants are making efforts to transform education. To enable personalized education, Facebook and Microsoft are developing tools for diverse classrooms. With these tools, students sitting in the classroom can now study based on their own needs and at their own pace. To improve flexibility of education, Amazon has set up an online marketplace with thousands of digital educational materials. Software based on Google's machine learning technology were developed so that students can learn without teachers. To support the increasing needs of experiential learning, Google and Apple are developing low-cost AR and VR devices to bring advanced technologies to classrooms. Tech startups are disrupting the education industry. Startups such as ClassKick and ClassDojo allows teachers to monitor individual students' classroom performance and adapt to their pace in real time. Many companies provide online K-12 education so that students can get their classes online based on their individual schedule. In experiential learning, augmented reality and 3D printing can enrich experiential learning. These innovations can develop a student's imagination and creativity capabilities. Finally, marketers must shift their priorities to keep up with the great changes in consumer behavior. To allow more personalization, marketers can use student data to form individual curriculum plans. To enable flexibility, the Razor model enables partnership between tech companies and school districts. Finally, to encourage experiential learning, edutainment can provide unique learning models. First, student data is used to create individual curriculum plans. Using big data in education settings can help personalize curriculum choices. Data analytics can offer more personalized education based on a student's performance, pace, and learning capabilities. Marketers can then sell educational programs and products to different target segments based on their specific learning needs. Next, tech companies will move to the Razor model, working with school districts. In order for all school districts to participate, tech companies will offer cutting-edge technology at low or zero cost. Tech companies will replace publishing companies in the creation of new curriculum, created specifically to drive the new adoption of flexible personalized learning. As more schools adopt this flexible curriculum, experiential learning moves more towards edutainment, which blurs the lines between when and where marketing to kids should happen. To reduce curriculum costs, companies begin sponsoring learning modules that can be experienced anywhere. For example, Six Flags can sponsor a physics module on forces, while kids feel like they're riding roller coasters, and SpaceX can sponsor modules on planets and space.
In conclusion, we expect many changes in education over the next 10 years, and we believe marketers must come up with creative solutions to be able to thrive in the face of these changes.